everybody should know this is my drink. This is my drink. Nobody is allowed to touch it, darling. And welcome to the another series of #GlamHaul. So अभी तक आपको कैप्शन से पता चल चुका होगा. This video is going to be all about the guilty pleasure which I'm having in the terms of Miniso. So yeah, lately in my nearby mall जो मेरे घर के पास है, मैं वहाँ पे किसी काम से गई थी, कुछ अर्जेंट मेरे मोबाइल रिलेटेड काम था, but my eyes were drooling all around देखने के लिए कौन से स्टोर्स खोले हैं, चाहे पैरल्स का हो, चाहे एक्सेसरीज का हो, ऐसा कुछ जहाँ से मैं शॉपिंग करना बहुत पसंद करती थी लॉकडाउन से पहले, when things were very normal. I couldn't resist myself because I saw on the second floor there was a store lit with the red lighting Miniso, and I have been always fantasized because of their cute stuff, cost efficient, pocket friendly things, and 6 महीने से मैंने बहुत बड़ी लिस्ट बना चुकी थी जो मुझे चीज़ें लेनी थी, and because of I was thinking कि ऑनलाइन में नहीं जाना, मुझे इन स्टोर ही जाना, इन स्टोर का मजा तो इन स्टोर पे ही है, राइट? सो जैसे ही मॉल खुलेंगे आई एम गोना डाइव इनटू इट. सो वही हुआ. आई couldn't resist myself and yeah, I shopped a lot. So yeah, this video is going to be all about that, where I'm going to show all that cute, efficient household stuffs which I got, makeup stuffs and everything, which can interest you too. So yeah, if this whole idea interests you, make sure you're watching this video till the end. And अगर अभी तक ये मेरे सुंदर से चेहरे को देख लिया और मेरी बहुत सारी बकत बातों को सुन चुके हो, so take a moment and subscribe my channel right away. It just takes a second, but it's gonna mean a lot to me. If you like my work, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, comment down, and that's all. Let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the whole bag full of goodies. इसमें भी चीज़ें नहीं आई थी, तो उसके पहले I went to Globus. The half of the items in this, let's not talk about Globus. So yeah, I shopped a lot here, and these are something which I really needed, and kuch cheezein I never needed, but I got them, so bear with me. So the first thing which I want you to see is the cute stuff. So I got these cute tumblers over here, and look at this. This has like cat ear wala cap, full glittery, full shiny, and a very powder blue color. So lately I'm loving this color, which you can see my nail paint and stuff. So I am really getting into this color, the vibe of this color, be it powder pink, powder blue. I'm in love. The lavender. It comes with a good good quality plastic straw, which again is I think biodegradable, so it's also good quality altogether. So I really love this tumbler, and I loved it so much that in the same color I got the another one. So just थोड़ा सा कलर डिफरेंस है, but I got the two of them. So प्राइस की बात करें, so this sparkle one is worth 250. इसका प्राइस 250 है, and I think ये भी 250 का ही है. So दोनों 250 के हैं, so 500 I lost it over here in the first go. So second thing, जो भी मेरे हाथ में आएगा मैं दिखाते जाऊंगी. There's no series I'm going to follow. So now this is the one of the utility things जिसमें मुझे बहुत proud है, जो मुझे चाहिए था बहुत टाइम से, and I was looking something where I can organize my cotton pads. So I use cotton pads every day, like 2 से 3 बार. So मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था कि मेरे लिए बहुत फिजिबल हो, अप्रोचेबल हो, कि मैं बस निकालूं और यूज कर लूं. And मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी ऑर्गेनाइज किया हुआ है. So I will show you guys this. So this is the whole like a very good quality plastic thingy, जिसके साथ ये कैप भी आता है. आप इसके अंदर कॉटन पैड को प्लेस कर, यहाँ पे ओपनिंग है, यहाँ पे कॉटन पैड को मैंने प्लेस कर रखा है, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट पुट द लिड ऑन. एंड प्राइस की बात करें, so this costed me 150 rupees. So 150 for such a good quality thing जो मेरे लिए बहुत काम आएगा. And very one of the useful thing. So 150 rupees, I really feel it's worth every penny, and I love this thing. So the next thing is very off to the list, because I never thought I'm gonna buy such things ever from Miniso, but trust me, jab need hoti hai na, so you come out of your own zone. So this is the very weirdo stuff which I got. This is the hanging organizer something. तो मैं wall पे तो कहीं नहीं लगाऊंगी, it's gonna look very but I really can use this with the stick-on वाला जो hoop होता है, उसको मैं अंदर cupboards के अंदर लगा के एक door पे मैं इसको organize करने का सोचा है मैंने, for handkerchiefs and my socks, because I never find my handkerchief and a pair of socks जब मुझे चाहिए होता है. So just to organize them, ताकि वो एक पेयर के साथ दूसरा पेयर मुझे साथ में मिले हमेशा, I thought this organizer is much needed, and I got this in this beautiful grayish color. The color is very beautiful. You also get peach pink color in this. I think यही दो कलर था. प्राइस की बात करें तो this has costed me 230 rupees. I think it's good, it's worth the price, because the cloth you get, the plastic holder you get, I think यहाँ से threading भी नहीं निकलेगी, joint भी नहीं निकलेगी, and it's going to be for a good use for a very long time. So yeah, this is the thing. So moving to the next thing I have got is these strangle sponges to conceal my under eyes when I'm traveling. I don't want to carry a lot of brushes along, so these are some things मैं 2-3 चीजें मैं carry कर सकती हूँ अपने vanity pouch में, and I can just travel along. So yeah, for that purpose I have taken these triangle sponges, which is very convenient for under eyes and to contour and a lot of stuff जहाँ पे precisely हमें angle चाहिए होता है. So the whole pack of this has costed me 190 rupees, but I think this is again one of the convenient things जो आपको सिर्फ Miniso पे मिल सकता है, बाहर कहीं नहीं मिलता, मिलेगा भी तो it's going to be very pricey, वो भी इतनी सारी quantity. So moving to the next thing which I have got, obviously I had to get cotton pads from Miniso. मैं जब भी Miniso जाती हूँ I really carry like 2 to 3 good packs. So एक पैक मैं भी ऑलरेडी यूज कर रही हूँ. दिस इज द न्यू वन. सो ये है 150 रुपीज का, एंड इसमें आई थिंक 180 शीट्स होते हैं, सॉफ्ट कॉटन पैड्स 180 शीट्स, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड अगेन much useful thing from the Miniso you have to buy. अगर मुझसे जा रहे हो, have a good hand on them and you will go very long for the use of it. So बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक चलता है. आई थिंक मेरे 2 पैकेट्स चल जाते हैं आराम से, 4 महीने के आसपास चल जाते हैं. So yeah, that's how useful they are. So moving to the next one. So I don't know, I never planned for this one, but जब मैंने देखा I thought yeah, I need it. Maybe let me try that, how it works, what difference it gonna make after wearing it. So yeah, it's Miniso shaping shorts, and like these are the tights, like a skin color, nude color tights, which you can wear beneath body hugging dresses or tops. So I have never worn such kind of stuff ever to shape up my body or something, because I feel that's pretty illogical until I didn't try this. So when I tried this, oh my god, it really worked, and I love the quality of it and the kind of change it gives to your whole structure. It accentuates your body like a magic, like so natural, and I totally love it. And the price is so efficient. मैंने इसको NMR पे भी देखा था, but that was too costly. But when I saw on Miniso, that actually costed 290 rupees for this, but I feel this is worth the penny. So the next off thing which I have got is this cute sling bag with this silver chain. So this is a black leather bag, and ये मैं जब शॉपिंग कर चुकी, जब मैं बिलिंग कराई थी, बिलिंग काउंटर के पास वो ऐसे टेम्पटिंग चीज़ें रखते हैं ताकि आप बिल करते रहो और आप साइड पे देखते रहो कि आप और क्या अपने कार्ट में ऐड कर सकते हो, अपने शॉपिंग बैग में ऐड कर सकते हो. एंड दिस वाज द वन थिंग व्हिच आई एडेड जस्ट एट द एंड, जब मैं ऑलरेडी कार्ड दे चुकी थी पेमेंट के लिए. एंड दिस एक्चुअली कॉस्टेड मी जस्ट 200 rupees. ये 50% ऑफ पे था, जो उन्होंने लगा रखा था उसमें 50% ऑफ था, एंड आई गॉट जस्ट in 200 rupees, and I had no guilt having this. So it's a very good thing. It comes with a chain. आप chain को remove भी कर सकते हो यहाँ से, as it is so chic, looks very stylish, very classy. And if you're traveling just nearby, or you're traveling or where you just want to carry cards and cash, this is good to have. And yeah, I totally love it. So moving to the next thing, now everything is going to be from the beauty section, beauty and cosmetic section. So मुझे अपने brushes को cleanse करने के लिए कुछ चीज़ चाहिए थी, like they get some stick-ons. मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में देखा था. I haven't tried, this is just new thing, new pack. मैंने छोटा वाला पैक लिया है, इसका पिंक लिप शेप में भी आता है जो आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में देखा होगा. But I got this one because I feel मेरे लिए बहुत sufficient है ये small size का. It comes with a like heart shape and इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा precise you know ऐसे कुछ बीड्स बने हुए हैं, डॉट्स एंड लाइंस बने हुए हैं, which again becomes very efficient when you rub your brush over here with some soap or with some body wash over it. And बहुत अच्छे से उसके ब्रिसल्स यहाँ पे ज़्यादा जाके रब होते हैं, सारे डर्ट और जितने भी हमारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट है वो अच्छे से निकल जाता है. सो दिस इज वेरी गुड थिंग. एंड अबाउट दैट इट कम्स विद द स्टिक ऑन थिंग. सो आप जैसे बेसन में रखोगे तो ये ऐसे चिपक जाएगा एंड इट गोना क्रिएट अ सक्शन एंड इट गोना स्टिक जस्ट लाइक दैट. एंड देन आप इस पे अपने ब्रश को रख के अच्छे से इसको क्लेंस कर सकते हो. सो एक्चुअली आई लाइक द होल आइडिया ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, हाउ इट कैन बी यूजफुल टू क्लेंस माई ब्रशेस थॉरली, एंड आई एम surely looking forward to try it. So talking about the price of this one, I think this costed 190 rupees. Again, ठीक है, 190 rupees is good to go for such kind of useful utility stuff. Okay, so the next one is Airy Cushion Powder Puff, and इस पैक में दो पफ आते हैं जिसमें भी सिर्फ एक ही आप देख सकते हैं. एक ये ब्लू शेड में है और एक यहाँ पे एक न्यूड शेड में था. वो मैं ऑलरेडी अपने पाउडर के साथ यूज कर रही हूँ. कॉम्पैक्ट में मैंने इसको, जो कॉम्पैक्ट के साथ आता है उसको तो मैं हमेशा निकाल देती हूँ. एंड आई यूज देम बिकॉज दीज आर really comfortable and helps us to apply the whole powder and compact evenly over your face. So I really like them. and इसके साथ एक gripper भी आता है जिसपे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है Miniso. So I really love them. इसका जो प्राइस है I think this is 190 for 2. So I feel थोड़ा सा कॉस्टली है 190 में दो, बट स्टिल अगर चाहिए होता है तो चाहिए होता है. So I really found this useful as a concept. So yeah, I took that. Now moving to the next things, you're gonna see a lot of makeup brushes because lately I have been crushing on their makeup brushes. So affordable, so quirky, so stylish, and altogether like they're must to have if you love something which is very cute to your eyes. So yeah, that was the only reason and I ended up buying 3 of them. So पहला बात करते हैं इसके लिए. So ये है Angular contour brush. And ये प्राइस है इसका 250 rupees. and just look at the brush. This is like a unicorn style. So I love the quality of the bristles. It's very smooth, very soft and very dense, so that the product gets applied very evenly. बहुत अच्छे से application हो जाता है. The quality is very good. ऐसा नहीं कि Miniso का है तो professional नहीं लगता है, बहुत cheap होता है, work ठीक से blending में काम नहीं आता. Trust me, it works equally good as compared to your other branded brushes. So moving to the next brush set which I have for you is my most favorite one, because this is the powder brush. Because lately I have been collecting powder brush. I don't know what's this obsession. Any brush which is very bouncy, big and fluffy, very dense, I want them. I really want them. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys this. Firstly, price की बात करती हूँ. Again, this costed me rupees 250, and just look at this cutie. Isn't this so chic, so stylish and so professional? So इसका जो handle है वो metallic look देता है, and that is something which is very chic, very stylish and classy altogether. And look at the bristles. It is so precise, very dense, works well when you apply your blush or powder over your face. And just because ये बहुत ज़्यादा dense है तो बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है आपके सारे products आपके face पे, and all together it's very cute. So that was one of the major reason I took it. So 250 rupees for this, I think worth the price. So the next brush is this Duo one. So इसमें दो ब्रश आते हैं. एक हमारा आई शेडो ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश आता है और एक एंगुलर ब्रश आता है. So मैंने ये पूरा सेट सिर्फ और सिर्फ ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश के लिए लिया था. ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश सिंगल में नहीं था, सिर्फ कॉम्बो में ही आ रहा था. मेरे पास एंगुलर ब्रश बहुत सारे हैं, बट जस्ट बिकॉज आई नीडेड दिस exactly this blending brush for my eyeshadow, I took the whole combo of it. So combo भी 250 का ही है. ठीक है, हम angular भी use कर लेंगे कभी ना कभी. But the blending brush, you need to see it. Again, this is from the same design family like the previous one, metallic thing. So इसका handle again metallic form में है, and just see the bristle of it. This is so cute and it can be used very nicely to blend over your crease lines और जहाँ पे precisely हमें blending करनी है वहाँ पे like edges में or something like that. It's going to work very nicely. And this is the angular brush. These are the two brushes which comes together in 250 rupees. I think price के according बढ़िया है यार. दो ब्रशेस कहाँ आते हैं 250 में? आप कहीं पे देख लो, Amazon पे भी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती है. So I have seen a lot of places with the regards of brushes, and I found these miniature brushes to be much better. So the next product is a beauty blender. So again, this is the first time I'm using beauty blender from Miniso at least, and इसको लेने का सिर्फ एक ही attraction था, the packaging of it. Can you just see the packaging of this blender? Firstly, the powder blue color. Secondly, the packaging, this egg kind of a shell which is covering the whole beauty sponge is so cute, and I couldn't resist taking it. इसका जो angular जो cut हो रखा है, it's very good when you are applying powder or when you are clearing up your contour from your cheek region just to give that snatch look. I think this area will be in the use. And और second इसका जो end है वो है pointed, so to conceal or to cover up the whole foundation thing, to blend it all. I think the whole concept is very fantastic. So I really love the whole concept of its cut, the shape and everything. And obviously hygiene बनाने के लिए मैं travel करती हूँ तो beauty blender कहीं भी रख देते तो वो थोड़ा सा dusty हो जाता है, उसको एकदम से use करना थोड़ा सा मुझे hesitant होती हूँ मैं उसको use करने के लिए. So I avoid that. So obviously it comes with a cover, so it's going to be very hygienic. It's going to be very clean when you're traveling. So again, I'm going to use this for my travel purpose, and yeah, I really love this one. So this costed me rupees 200, and I think this is worth the price. Again, if you know, beauty blenders इतने सस्ते नहीं आते हैं. So 200 rupees में मुझे cover के साथ मिल रहा है, which gonna give me that hygiene consent as well altogether. So I'm totally into it. So the next thing which I'm going to show you is going to be in a skincare range. Now it's not exactly skincare, it's a facial cleaner which is electric based. It's a silicone facial cleaner which works with like 2 batteries. I think A4 size की batteries लगती हैं इसमें. And I have taken this in this beautiful peachy orange color. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. And इसका मैंने review पढ़ा था कि how it is useful. So people literally have voted for it. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से reviews डाले थे, तो मैंने सोचा था मैं जब Miniso जाऊँगी ना तो I am surely gonna get my hands on it. And this time when I went there, I really bought it. So this is priced at 490 rupees, and let me open it and show you guys. So what you need to do is you just need to do your your usual face wash thing. आप अपने face wash को लोगे, अपने अच्छे को damp अपने face पे apply कर लोगे, और यहाँ पे अपना face wash रख सकते हो, directly apply कर सकते हो. The choice is yours. Can you just hear it? Just बंद हो जाओ. So using this over your face wash is going to give a good massage over your face. आपका blood circulation अच्छा होगा. That's the whole concept of this beauty cleanser, and I really looking forward to use it. धोखा ना दे दे कि 1-2 बार के बाद खराब हो जाए, होना तो नहीं चाहिए. But yeah, I'm just hoping for the best. मैंने पता use करके देखा नहीं है. Let's see how it's going to be. ऐसे cute चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं यार. Like 490 rupees, it's good to pay for such electronic thing which is going to be useful. So yeah, this is my next purchase. I'm really tired. Okay, so thankfully I'm left with the 2 products, and those are from the cosmetic range by Miniso. So I have never ever tried the cosmetic जो मैं पहले बता रही थी आपको. So yeah, these are the 2 things which I got from the makeup range. So ये मुझे free मिला. So free कैसे? Because I shopped something over 3500. मैंने शॉप से ज़्यादा किया था, but उनका bracket था 3500 से ऊपर जाओगे तो you gonna get this free. So this one is their BB cream. So this one is in the shade 03 warm nude. I think ये मुझे match up करेगा, नहीं भी करेगा. So I don't know. I'm not into BB creams, that too from Miniso. So let me try it once. If it's gonna go well, ठीक है, वरना I'm gonna gift it to one of my friends which will match to her complexion at least. So yeah, this is the one. एंड अगर आप इसको लेना भी चाहो तो आई थिंक इंडिविजुअल भी इसका प्राइस जो है दैट इज 490. ओ माई गॉड, सो दिस इज रियली प्राइजी फॉर अ BB cream kind of stuff. This is pricey for 30 gram of product. So 490, ठीक है. I mean, I don't know, I haven't tried. Let me try it, then I think I can put my review into it. So if you wanna know about any of the reviews, चाहे वो मेरा cleanser हो इलेक्ट्रिक या फिर brushes या फिर ये BB cream, you have to be there over my Instagram because I share my day-to-day updates, BTS, my reviews, short reviews and everything, announcements over there on the Instagram. अगर आपने follow नहीं किया है, so my handle is somewhere here. Make sure you are following me up right there on Instagram. So the last thing which I need to, so now this is my purchase, ये मैंने purchase किया है. Okay, so now this is something which amused me the most from Miniso. It's a mini pony rainbow lashes mascara. It's a blue mascara basically. It's nothing like बहुत ज़्यादा rainbow अलग अलग colors के हैं. नाम से तो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारे 7 colors होंगे आपके पूरे eyelashes पे, but no, it's a blue colored mascara. But obviously उसका जो wand है बहुत precise है, बहुत ज़्यादा डेंस है, सो आपके पूरे मस्कारा को अच्छे से एक्सटेंड लुक देता है, फुल कर्ली बना देता है, एंड दैट्स all it works. So yeah, this mascara is in the shade 02 purplish black, so it's gonna give a hint of black and purple. I think धूप में when you gonna go on light और direct sunlight जो पड़ेगा, so आप तब कलर का रिफ्लेक्शन देख सकोगे. It's gonna be a dark purplish kind of a stuff, very indigoish color over your lashes. So it's not exactly blue, I was wrong. I think there was another color blue, but I took purplish black. So yeah, ताकि ज़्यादा weird भी ना लगे, it's gonna be dark black undertone with hint of purple. So yeah, this is the whole concept. So yeah, I am totally looking forward for it. देखो कैसा निकलता है. मुझे ऐसा लग तो रहा है कि बच्चों वाला कुछ है, but let's see. So this is priced at 200 rupees something, and yeah, with the price I think ऐसा mascara हमें मिलता नहीं है color वाला, so Miniso has it all. So if you wanna looking something which is cute, which is stylish, but in a pocket friendly bracket, so look for things you get in Miniso. So yeah, this was it for the today's Miniso haul. I hope you guys have liked all the stuff which I have got, which was useful for me. जो मुझे लगा था मेरे लिए useful होगा, कुछ चीज़ें नहीं भी हैं, but it's okay. I mean after the lockdown इतना तो बनता है यार, हमने इतना ज़्यादा वेट किया है तो थोड़ा बहुत वेस्टेज भी चलता है. So yeah, again I'm not at all motivating you guys to go in the stores and have your in-store shopping feel. But yeah, अगर आपको लगता है आप जा सकते हो, वो प्लेस आपके लिए सैनिटाइज्ड है and you are taking all the precautions with yourself, you can, because the shops have been open for that cause, right? So yeah, if you have liked this whole video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and comment down आपको इन सब चीज़ों में सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा और आप क्या ट्राई करना चाहोगे या फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्या देखना चाहोगे. Put down your suggestion, everything in the comment section, and subscribing is very, very important. Don't forget doing that, and see you in the next one.